I have vegetable raised beds. The vegetable seedlings grow midway, then they will die. The leaves sometimes curl. The plants will stop growing, turn brown, and die. When pulling out what is left, I have found this. When moving the soil, I will see these white specks. Is this killing my plants? Thank you for your help. And this is Regina from Hawaii. So what do we think that might be?
Yeah, that is a stem rot.
Okay.
And yes, the roots and stuff, that is the rot, the fungus that causes all of that. And yes, but all of that is because it's too wet.
Yeah.
All the pictures look like there's the soil is just too wet.
Too wet, need to improve the drainage. Yeah, so that fungus would be a white mold. I mean, that's what it looks like, to me. And of course, the symptoms, they start wilting, then they die off. Stem rot is something that you mentioned. That's what I think the problem is. So for that, you have to practice good sanitation, right? I wouldn't use a fungicide. I would look for resistant varieties the next time that you go looking for your plant material.
True.
So those are the things I would do, Ms. Regina. So, when you agree?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I totally agree. And resistant varieties would be the best thing to look at too. But I think the soil is too wet.
Yeah. So culturally, improve the drainage.
Don't water it too much.
Yeah. Just loving it a little bit too much, right?
A little bit too much.
A little bit too much. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.